So actually, if you're a parent and then you want your kids to have some fun at home, you want them to start learning how to ride. These are quad bikes for kids. This is actually the electric version. Yeah, so you just need to charge it. You can just charge it at home. And these are the gear levers. So F is for moving forward. Yeah, you can see it's moving forward. Okay, well. Hey. Yeah, and then this R over here is for the reverse. Wow. For parents who want your kid to, have some fun at home, learn how to ride, you can purchase these quad bikes. They're actually very, very cheap and convenient to just, ride at home. So I recommend you to buy one of these. So we've got different versions, different models. This one is actually uses gas. Yes, this uses gas or petrol. This also uses petrol. So these ones are actually for kids, same as these bikes here. But these are all gas bikes. Yeah, so if you want your kid to start learning how to ride motorbikes, these are the kind of bikes you can buy for your kids.